Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mariam Narona. All of us know that human beings are motivated to behave or act in a certain manner. So, everything that we do, there is a motivation for that. Something drives us to achieve that or to carry out the task or activity, and at the bottom of that motivation lies a need. So what is the need which drives different people to carry out research? The motivation to do research is different for different people, and we will be discussing that briefly today. Now, anyone who has studied Maslow's need hierarchy, Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs, knows that there are different needs which we have, and those needs drive us to do certain things. Now, you have the lower level needs: physiological, safety, security, social, ego, prestige needs, and the highest need, that is self actualization, the need for self actualization. Now usually researchers are people who are self actualized. They carry it out not because they want some financial safety, security, or advantage out of it, or they want to be known by people, or their ego to be massaged by by people knowing that so and so has done this. But there are different things which drive different people, and the same applies to research. So some people who may be carrying out research may be self actualized people, and so just let's look at the different reasons or drivers for research. So, people are driven to carry out research by academic advancement. That is, they want the highest degree which you can get in any field is your doctoral degree. So, if you are inclined towards achieving that for yourself, then academic advancement may be what is driving you to carry out research. Career advancement. Now, if you want to excel in the field of academics, if you want to work with some of the best institutions, and if you want to advance to a higher grade from, say, assistant professor to associate to professor, then a doctoral degree or research will definitely help you. Not only doctoral, a postdoctoral research, or getting any sort of research grants will also make you a much sought after academician and help you to advance your career. So this drives people. Then the desire to improve the world or to contribute. Now, this is what self actualized people do. They don't really have very selfish motives. So, there are people who carry out research to make better products. There are people who carry out research to help improve the world through better medicines, pharmaceuticals, say cheaper medication, more accessible treatment, So, the desire to improve the world or to make a difference in the lives of people at large may drive research. And lastly, as it is for students, they may be carrying out research, they are motivated to do research because it is a part of their coursework. Here you really do not have a choice. Now the way you do your research work, that is something that you can choose. You can take it as a chore, or you can take it as an enjoyable learning process, something that will enrich you. So these are by and large the reasons which motivate people to carry out research. So do watch other videos on research which are posted on this channel. If you like the content in this video and on this channel, then please do hit like, subscribe, leave your comments and feedback. Thank you.